What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. On my last videos, we stayed on the topic of variables and we focused more on mathematical equations to see the results. But on this video, we're going to talk about Boolean types. Now, Boolean is a data type that returns two values, true and false. That's it. So let's not waste any time. Let's just hop on this. Okay, let's get into it now with the Boolean types. So the first thing I'm going to do is obviously going to do a script. Access JavaScript index4.js. Having a brain fart right now. It's all good though. We're gonna move on. Let's save it. And then we're gonna check. Hit that refresh. Let's see what's in here. It looks like everything is working. Let me do a console log really fast. Maybe that will give me some results in here. Let's check it. Okay, it's working. So a Boolean. So a Boolean is like a, let's just say this. If you have two options, left or right, that would be a good example to use a Boolean type, or open and close. Think about a menu that you would like to have a button for and you wanted to open and close it. You would like to say like, is open or is closed. Is open equals true, is closed equals false, or vice versa, etc. Any variable with a value is equal to true. Let's remember that. A Boolean that has no value is false. -0 equals false. An empty string will equal false. Undefined will equal false. Null will equal false. And then false equals false. So I'm going to show you examples of what I'm talking about. So I'm going to use a Boolean function. Now you may not know so much about functions right now, but I'm going to get into that later on as we move forward. I'm going to use a Boolean function to show you what I mean. So I'm gonna say, let's do this, right? So I'm gonna say var x equals, I'm gonna use a Boolean function to show. So I'm gonna say Boolean, I'm gonna say 1 in there, okay? Let's do that. Yeah, we're gonna do that. And then I'm gonna say var first name is equal to Boolean. I'm gonna say Boolean because I'm calling a function, so I can show you what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna show you right now after this. And I'm gonna say my name, Nick. Right? And then I'm gonna console log both of these variables so we can see what I'm talking about. So that's gonna be X. And then console log this one as well. And then Nick is first name. Okay, let's close it. I'm gonna save it. We're going to this page, refresh. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about down here. So in the code, I put in var x equal 1 and var first name equals to Nick. You know, inside that parenthesis, I mean, I used a Boolean function, and that so I can show you the what value it comes out as. So because I added a Boolean function in there, X came out to be true, and then my name came out to be true. It's true because that's my name. But let's see a false statement. All right, let's show you a false statement. A false statement would look like this: var x equals Boolean. Oops, capitalized. Boolean, and then you call it X. And then var number is going to equal to 0. Let me do the Boolean first. Keep forgetting to put that. 0. And then we're going to console console log so we can see what we're talking about here. So X, and I'm gonna put, actually, you know what? Let me put Y here so I don't confuse myself. So I'm gonna put Y. That's not gonna work unless I do this. So not that will work. And then I'm gonna console log this number. I'm gonna say number. I'm gonna save it. Then I'm gonna refresh it. Well, I made an error. And I said that Y, oh, let's call this Y here. Okay, here we go. Now, as you can see in the log, the console log down here, Y equals false and number is false. And the reason why they're both false is, like I explained earlier in the video, is that if a variable has no value, then by definition it's already false. And if the value is -0, it's false. If it's an empty string, it's false. If the value is undefined, it's false. And like I explained earlier, if it's false, it's false. Now I said that false is false, but let's do one quick example here though. Play a little trick here. So if I do var true, let's say var, I'm gonna call it get result. Just for, I don't know, just to call it a variable, any name. So I'm gonna equal it to false as a string. Actually, take this back, do a Boolean function, and I'm gonna call this false as a string inside the Boolean function. And then I'm gonna console log this result. What the heck is going on here? All right, let's see. I'm gonna say get result as a string really quick, because you know my style already. I already explained it. And then I'm gonna type get result. Now, what do you think it's gonna be? Is it gonna be true or false? Let's check it out. Refresh. As you can see, get result equals a true. Regardless, when I put false, the reason why it's true is because false is a string. So false is a value. So anything with a value will equal to true. Just remember that. All right, so in this video we discuss Boolean types. So they're either true or false. And then we talked about, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like this channel and you find this as some sort of value, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Peace.